Then I have to turn off my Wi-Fi. Let me turn it off. And after that, let me turn it on again. Okay, so it has been connected. So now what I have to do is just cancel this. Tap on the install button again. It's still pending. It's still pending. I don't know the reason why, bro. Oh my god. Okay, I'm coming. Let me cancel it. Let me see, go back. Go back. Let me push this over here. Tap on the Google Play Store again. Then after that, let me tap over here. Now tap on the settings button over here. No, not the library. I want the settings button. Then after that, tap on network preference. So in the network preference, we have to choose over any network. So now, okay, just clear it again. Then after that, tap on Google Play Store again. Now let's search for FC Mobile. FC Mobile. So as you can see, I just used my voice. So you just tap on it, then you tap on install. So let's see what it's going to start downloading. I have to download this app because I need to use it for my projects, bro. Okay, so guys, I don't think this is able. I don't know the reason why. Is it my Wi-Fi or what? I don't know, bro. I'm so sad, bro. I'm very, very sad. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on, bro. So I have to end this over here, bro. Wow, this is my fingers. So that's my palm.